In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn's Meshnet, specifically focusing on managing permissions effectively. As we dive into this tutorial, it's essential to feel confident in navigating Nordvpn's user interface to make the most out of its features. In just 5 minutes, I'll guide you through the straightforward steps you'll need to follow. First and foremost, the journey begins with accessing the Nordvpn app where all the magic happens. You'll want to open the app on your device of choice, which is your gateway to unlocking secure and flexible virtual networking solutions that Nordvpn offers. With the app open, you're just a few clicks away from getting started with Meshnet. Now that you're within the app, the next step involves locating and clicking on the device in the Meshnet section. This is crucial because Meshnet is the feature that allows you to securely connect to various devices over the internet, no matter where they are in the world. Clicking on Device grants you access to a comprehensive overview of all devices connected via Meshnet. Following that, focus your attention on the Meshnet tab. By selecting this, you gain direct control over your network's configuration. This is vital for monitoring and managing the devices you wish to connect with using Nordvpn's robust security measures. Once you're in the Meshnet section, the next step involves selecting a specific device. This is where you can see all available devices and decide which one you want to manage or connect to. Selecting a device allows you to view detailed information and options tailored to that particular device, offering you a more personalized control experience. After selecting the device you wish to manage, you'll proceed by clicking on Manage Device. This opens a menu with additional settings and permissions options for that device. When you manage a device, you gain the ability to configure its connection preferences, ensuring that your VPN settings are optimized for security and performance. Remember, managing device permissions effectively is key to maintaining a secure and efficient network setup. By adjusting these settings, you're not only safeguarding your data, but also ensuring that you have uninterrupted access to your network whenever you need it. By following these steps, you'll be able to navigate and utilize Nordvpn's Meshnet permissions efficiently, ensuring a secure connection across your devices. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or seek out Nordvpn's extensive support resources for additional guidance. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Make sure to keep your Nordvpn app updated for the latest features and security enhancements. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from mastering Nordvpn's Meshnet features. Until next time, take care and stay secure online.